everyone, I'm Julie and I got on my hands the new iPhone 12 Pro. Super excited to get it on the first day. In this video, I will show you footages around Harajuku and Omotesando using the new iPhone 12 Pro. From the colorful and busy Takeshita Street to this hidden quiet shrine just next to it, plus a lot of cuteness in between. But first, let's walk with me to the Apple Store, shall we? Wow. Yay! I'm one of those people who enjoy buying a new gadget on the day it's released. So last Friday at 9 p.m. I was refreshing the Apple website to get my iPhone 12 Pro delivered to me. But there was crazy traffic, and 26 minutes later, I could only get the iPhone on release day if I were to pick it up at the Apple Store. So guess what? I did! Let's go! Yay! I got my phone! It's been 4 years since I had a new phone, so let's just say I am very, very excited. Let's sit down somewhere so I can set this phone up and start showing you guys everything about it. And since I'm in Harajuku, the land of bubble tea boom 2.0, I decided to go to my favorite Taiwanese joint, Chun Shui Tang. They claim to be the inventor of bubble tea. But today, there's something more important than bubble tea. So let's unbox my new iPhone! Let's talk while I eat. First impression is that, wow, this phone is so much bigger than my current iPhone 7. I gotta get used to not having a home button either. My main reason for getting the iPhone 12 Pro is because I've been using mostly the iPhone camera for all my Insta and YouTube content. I don't always have my proper camera with me unless I'm traveling, but my phone, on the other hand, is always glued to my hands. Well, except when I eat, of course. So with the camera in mind, it's time to walk around and give this new phone a test. Goodbye iPhone 7 and hello iPhone 12 Pro! Hope you enjoyed my little rainy tour of Harajuku. I would have taken more shots if I didn't have to hold an umbrella on one hand. But Tokyo is always pretty under the rain anyway, so I'm glad I get to take some footages today. If you love Japan and snacks and cute things, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also on Instagram if you want to chat. But for now, don't forget to have fun and eat snacks, or eat anything really. Bye!